Can't see anything. It's just too hot. It's so. Oh.
Red hot.
Yeah, it's a lot right there.
So hot. Ooh, this one's burning red. Mommy, call for the wind. Oh, it actually worked, Mommy.
I know. I'm the goddess of the wind.
I'm not going to that. I'll go on the other place. Ooh, pretty colors.
It is. It is pretty colors. Oh yeah.
The perfect curve. The perfect redness. Look, Mommy, a jumping spider.
Hmm.
I can tell kind of spiders. Ooh, this is cool.
Yeah. It's right here.
This one's perfect.
Yes.
Mommy, you're definitely gonna eat this, right?
I'm gonna pickle no.
No. Mommy? No. Pickle it will make it sour. You have to eat it hot.
I know. I'm gonna fry them.
You better try them without pickling, Mommy.
Yeah, I'm gonna fry them.
I don't think so.
I'm gonna fry them.
Mm.
Perfect.
Mm.
Who wants to pickle?
Dun dun dun. Ooh. I see some red. Look at them.
Get them. Beauty.
Oh, they're so cute.
Yeah, those are little.
Mommy, you should. I dare you to heat it a whole.
Not now.
Fine.
Go right there.
They're so cute. Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Careful.
Oh, sticky. Oh. They look hot.
Jalapenos. We need bees.
Are red.
That's not red.
What was I
Oh
saying?
my gosh. This mosquito bit me so hard. Smile.
Ew.